Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for plant lovers and cleaning enthusiasts alike. The DONSTRAW Wash Bottle. If you're searching for the best Tahini Squeeze Bottle, look no further. With its exceptional design and functionality, this bottle is here to simplify your watering and cleaning tasks. The DONSTRAW Wash Bottle comes in a convenient 2-pack, each with a capacity of 250 milliliters, or about 8 ounces. Made from premium LDPE plastic, these bottles are lightweight yet durable, making them perfect for various applications, from watering your favorite succulents to precise cleaning tasks in the lab. One of the standout features of this wash bottle is its narrow mouth and squeeze design. This allows for a controlled release of liquids, ensuring you can accurately water your plants or dispense cleaning solutions without any mess. The transparent body features clear scale markings, so you can easily measure how much liquid you're using. The DONSTRAW wash bottle is designed with a polypropylene screw closure, which provides a secure seal to prevent leaks. The angled stem and draw tube are molded into one piece, enhancing the bottle's leak-proof capabilities. You can confidently store this bottle upside down without worrying about spills. Versatility is another key aspect of the DONSTRAW wash bottle. Whether you need it for watering terrariums, applying liquid plant food, or even as a tattoo bottle, this product excels in various settings. It's suitable for indoor gardening, laboratory use, and more, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. In conclusion, the DONSTRAW wash bottle is not just your average squeeze bottle. It's a reliable companion for both home gardeners and professionals. Its quality construction, ease of use, and versatility make it the best Tahini squeeze bottle on the market. So, if you're ready to enhance your watering experience or streamline your cleaning tasks, I highly recommend giving the DONSTRAW wash bottle a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!